Hey, we just completed an install of an electric side step for a Hyundai Palisade. So I'm gonna show you guys how it came out. I'm on my way to my friend's place. It's good to have friends who trust you even though you don't know what you are doing, right? Yeah, you need to have one or two friends who always trust you even though you don't know what you are doing. So this is an electric side step for or some call it the electric running board or side step for a 2023 Hyundai Palisade. This is on a Calligraphy, and it took us about 5 days to do the install. Not complete days, mostly after hours. So 3 4 hours every day to install the left and the right and the cabling, the electrical system. So let me show you guys how it came out. It's pretty nice. Just in case you are going on that path, you can DM me. I can give you one or two tips, okay? And make sure you don't void your vehicle warranty if you decide to do one yourself. Okay, so let me show you. This is on the Palisade Calligraphy 2023. Few minutes, I'll be at my friend's place and I will show you.